how to dispute collections on Equifax. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can dispute collections on Equifax. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Equifax website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on Dispute Center. Then click on File Dispute. After that, you have to click on the section of your report that contains dispute, and it will look like this. So what you have to do is just click on this option of that information that contains dispute. After that, it will ask you to correct that dispute, and then it will ask you to upload one of your documents, and then done. So that's how you can dispute collections on Equifax. That's all for this video.